claim for all of the whale game, Whales game fam. I saw some people asking if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and claim the KRILL that I have available at the moment. We'll claim all. Got my MetaMask is going to pop up here. And I'm just going to go ahead and drop this down to slow because I'm not in a hurry for this. There we go. Now we'll drop down. We'll see here we go. Here's our pending transaction. Pop it up in Etherscan. Here we go. And you can see this transaction hash here, so we'll just come back to this. I don't want to have this video record the whole thing and then be too big. So I'll come back with a follow-up transaction. Here's the hash you can see, and we'll post that up.